then another one, this one like that. Good job. Good job! Oh. Put.
Okay, happy birthday song together. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy
Wait lang, te. Wait lang,
sige, ready? One more time.
Happy birthday.
Come here, Roy. Mommy, come here. Mommy, hello. Salita ka.
Hala. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Sing. Sing to Mavi.
Happy birthday to you.
Clap your hands, clap
Happy
your hands.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, you sit down first, anak. So, welcome party. And then today, we're going to be playing a game. Okay? Na-akwit isago ng mga around the play area. You have to find the egg. There is a secret prize inside the egg. So I have 10 eggs hidden all around the play area. Yes. Sige, are you guys ready? Oy, isa lang na egg per kid, ha? Para 9 eggs ang all. Sige, are you ready? Pwede isa-isa mo.
Apil daw.
Sige, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Look for the eggs! Look for the eggs! Na ay mga nakatago sa floor? Fire station! Oh! Here! Stay here! Good job, Mama!
Yay! Go, go, go! Go there!
There's an egg sa slide.
Go there! Show it! Show it!
There's an egg sa slide. Oh! You're the Julian found one!
Yay!
Hey, kids! Exactly 10 minutes, we will be playing games, okay? Do you want to play games? Do you want to win prizes? All the eggs here. Ayan. Oh, sunod lang. Ang sunod. Ayaw, balik. Okay. You give it to your dad.
Complete na, te?
Ha, okay, next. Are you ready for the next stethoscope? Julia is the winner! Congratulations! Okay, my next challenge is the first one to wear a costume. Wear a costume. Here in front. Go! First one to wear a costume. answers. Congratulations! Get one. Ayan. Julian! Kani yun. Bakit ako nakligwan ko 100 karon. Charlie. What animal? What sound does a dragon make? Wow! Palo mo. Sino ka? Okay. Get one. Yan. Congratulations! Ano na tayo mga? This sound. Meow! Wala kayo lang ng mga ate ang buyak. Excited kayo ha? Dapat sa kinder. Ang mga nursery and kinder sa itong pagbigyan. Okay. What animal? Tony! What animal makes the meow sound? Again, last chance. What animal makes? Sige, ano na lang. What is the sound of the dog? Very cute naman. Woof. Okay. Get one, Fabio. Congratulations. Malibu. What is the sound of a duck? Quack. Okay, get one. Congratulations. Dirita. Kani. Sige. Dirita sa ano ba sa mga dad ko? Kani kay mathematical question. X is equal to. Sige. Kani. For the adults ha. Kani yung, hindi siya adults. For the mga ates and kuyas. Kuan. What is 4 divided by 2? Chok chok. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay. Nag-loading block. Sorry girl. Buguan girl. Math girl.
Ayaw na lang pangutan nag-math di ha? Ay na pangutan nag-math.
Okay. Sige. Another question. For the ates and kuyas, sino ang pabansang bayani ng Pilipinas? Okay. Ay, Dr. Roselso, tama? Tama. Piling na ko pa ang adult sa kung pakutan ko na rin baka hindi ka ko ba? Sige. What is? Sino ang? Kadali. What is the national bird of the Philippines? Wala kayo labot. Wala kag-answer. Chinese. Go. Philippine Eagle. Philippine Eagle is correct!
Ibong adar naman.
Sige.
Ibong adar naman.
Gusto na ko of history. Char. That's the game. You sit down. Later na mag-play. Because we're gonna be playing pa. Sige, Fabio! What does a lion sound? Roar! Okay. Get one, Fabio. Congratulations. Malibu, what is the sound of a duck? Quack. Okay, get one. Congratulations. Ano tayo mga gagmay mga bata dali? Yan. Dali. Kani mga dab ko kay pa-TikTok na to sila. Sorry. Joke lang. Yan. Ayan. Dali yan. Malibu, where's the celebrant? The celebrant is missing again. Okay, and Fabio. Where's Fabio? Yan. Unsa ang sound sa cat? Ay, wala pa. Sige, mami na lang. Si mami. Sino ang pabansang bayani ng Pilipinas? Okay. Ay, Dr. Roselso, tama? Tama.
Araw si Isaac Paso.
Adult sa kung pangutan ko na yung baka di katubag. Sige, what is? Manulang lang ka. It's okay. And the winner is Kuya Marco! Yay! It's okay. There's still another game. Nasa po. For the angry at first. No, not.
It's okay, it's okay, it's
Kuya
okay.
Marco! You won a Choco Malos! Congratulations! Okay, another game. Ang mga dagko na paglakaran yan.
Nangaburn.
Okay. Per kid, naamoy isa kailan. So once na naamoy isa ka card, we will give chance to the other kids. Okay? So, ang atong question, trial, head. We'll give mga age very up. Okay, ready? Head, shoulders, knees, head, shoulders, knees, toes, head, topsy. Mabilis naman naman. Okay, 1 point dun sa team. Okay, bawal. Knees! Knees! Shoulder! Knees, tinulungan naman din eh. Ayan, knees! Knees! Knees at tinulungan! Shoulder! Shoulder! Head! Knees! Topsy! Wow! Okay, one more. Dapat. People sa lang to. Dapat kumawi ka ng Zanina team. Dapat kumawi ang Zanina team. Ready, head! Head! Knees! Knees, head! Shoulder! Topsy! Okay, wala, sige. Dito ko sa pamatitas ay kumplitos. Okay, ready? Thank you guys sa music. Okay, head, shoulders, trial, head, shoulders, knees, shoulders, head, topsy. So, by team ang score. By team ha, naka-by team atong points alin. So, the winning is toes, topsy. Consolation na din sa Pinas na team. Okay, and the winner is...
Slay!
Okay. Ayan. Congratulations! Consolation prize. ID! Senior ID! Wala, senior ID.
Let me just get rid of it.
Senior ID. Senior ID. Ayan, okay.
Let me just get my mom real quick.
Bring me an NCCC card.
Sa'y sulod sa iya kang
Okay, congratulations.
Wala pressure ang pagdagan ka.
Hold on lang ha. Ipakwa lang yung lighter for a bit.
Love you! Sus! Tura o? Gagoy sa birthday boy?
Okay, we'd like to call on Maggie and Daddy.
Yes!
Okay. Happy birthday, Maggie boy. So everyone, you can now proceed to our buffet table. Okay, let's sing all together. This is your most awaited moment, Mab. It's your time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday
To you!
Happy birthday to you. One more. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, what's your wish? Make a wish. Ay, kaya was a wish.
Sit down!
We're the other day dinosaur. Change the young heart. Okay, blow the candle. Yay! Happy birthday!
Nasa Solarnis na gift.
Cute ni Julian, oy. Amen. Amen. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Sa akong family po, sa akong relatives, for really making time, no? I know this is really a busy month. So thank you so much for making time to be here sa birthday party.
Wave! Hello! Day! Day, Day!
So kaya
Day!
very short lang ang mga
Wave, good mo?
programs, games lang, because we want
Wave! Video ni video! LJ!
sa Play Village. So I am the only Hello na po kayo balloon available. So
Pak! Chika! Kitang-kit!
kids, gusto lang din ako ihatag before na yung mga trito. Make a line guide, kids. I'm going to give your giveaways. Tapos basta pag linaw-linaw lang din mo kami. Hello! Dang-dang! Dang-dang! EJ! Fabio! Ay, natin mga big kids chatting. Oh no, thank you! Hold on, I'll get some more. Okay.
Wait lang, wait lang!
More. Kuya, Kuya Chok-Chok. Dito to Kuya Chok-Chok. Here, Kuya Chok-Chok. Ayan. Ayan, Ate LJ. Tintin. Isa pa. Julian. Ate Riz. Ayan, hold on, hold on.
Thank you!
Riley, tapos si Corey, as Ate Riz. Give it to Ate Riz. Si Earl. Ayun, dali. Si Riley. Give it to Riley. Oh, there. Give to Hailey too. Give to Hailey.
Give to Hailey!
Give to Hailey para si Kuya Marco. Mobile natin. Hindi ko pwede. Give to Hailey. Ayan. Give to Hailey. Tita Heidi na lang. Give to Tita Heidi. Okay. Ang mga walang hatagan, let me know. Napakoy duha ka pa.